95% of used car buyers get scammed, and they don't even know it yet. Not by a shady dealer with a fake smile, by their own excitement. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to hand you the exact system mechanics use to buy their own cars, and it's going to save you thousands of dollars and years of headaches. Here's the truth nobody tells you. A clean Carfax means almost nothing. I said it. That shiny report with 0 accidents, it only shows what got reported. Fender benders paid out of pocket, deer strikes fixed at a buddy's garage, flood damage cleaned up before insurance ever got involved. None of that shows up. So if you're buying a car based on a report alone, you're buying blind. The real secret to reliability isn't a piece of paper, it's a process. And that process starts before you even look at the car. It starts with the seller. Ask why they're selling. Watch their face, not just their words. Just want something newer is normal. Stumbling, vague answers, or a story that changes halfway through. That's your first red flag, and red flag number 1 should always slow you down, not speed you up. Now let's talk about the thing that actually predicts reliability better than mileage: maintenance records. A car with 120,000 miles and a shoebox full of oil change receipts will outlive a car with 60,000 miles and 0 paperwork every single time. Consistency beats mileage. A well-maintained high-mileage engine has been babied. A low-mileage neglected one has been ignored. And ignored engines fail in ways that surprise you, expensively, usually right after the warranty runs out. Here's value number 2, and this one alone will save you real money. Never skip the pre-purchase inspection. I don't care if the seller says, "It's fine, I just had it checked." Pay $80 to $150. Take it to an independent mechanic, not the dealer's mechanic, not the seller's mechanic, yours. And let them put it on a lift, a cracked control arm, a leaking rear main seal, a transmission on borrowed time. These hide in plain sight from someone who isn't underneath the car with a flashlight. That inspection fee is the cheapest insurance policy you will ever buy. Skip it and you might save $100 today and lose $4,000 next month. While we're under the hood, literally, here's a trick almost nobody uses. Pull the oil dipstick and check the color and smell. Milky, frothy oil? That's coolant mixing in, which usually means a blown head gasket. And that's a repair bill that rivals the price of another car. Check the transmission fluid too, if it's accessible. It should be reddish and clean, not brown and burnt smelling. These 30-second checks cost you nothing and expose problem sellers hope you'll never look for. Let's talk numbers for a second, because reliability isn't just mechanical, it's mathematical. Before you fall in love with any used car, look up its ownership costs, not just the sticker price. Some models are cheap to buy and brutal to maintain. A German luxury sedan might look like a steal at $12,000 until you realize the water pump alone costs more to replace than a Honda's entire tune-up budget. Brands like Toyota, Honda, and Mazda consistently top reliability surveys for a reason. Parts are cheap, mechanics know them inside and out, and the engineering has been refined for decades. Buying reliable isn't about badge snobbery. It's about buying into a support system, not just a machine. Now here's something most buyers completely overlook. The VIN tells a story if you know how to read it. Run it through a vehicle history site, sure, but also check it against open recalls on the manufacturer's website for free. An open recall means there's a known issue the manufacturer is legally obligated to fix, often for free, even on a used car. Buy the car, get the recall fixed, and you just got a repair job done on someone else's dime. Let's talk test drives, because most people do them wrong. Don't just cruise around the block feeling the leather seats. Get it on the highway and feel for vibration at speed. Brake hard in an empty lot and feel for pulling or grinding. Turn the wheel lock to lock and listen for clunking. Turn off the radio completely. Silence is your diagnostic tool. A rattle you can't hear over music is a rattle that becomes a $500 repair 6 months from now. And here's the insight that ties everything together. Reliability isn't something you find, it's something you verify. Anyone can tell you a car is reliable. Your job isn't to trust them, it's to build a case piece by piece, using the seller's story, the maintenance records, the independent inspection, the fluid checks, the VIN history, and the test drive, until the evidence points one direction. When all 5 line up clean, you're not gambling anymore. You're making an informed decision, the same way a mechanic would if they were buying it for their own driveway. So here's your action plan. Next time you're eyeing a used car, don't ask, does it look good? Ask, can I verify it? Check the maintenance history. Book the independent inspection. Check the dipstick. Run the VIN for recalls. Drive it in silence. Do all 5, and you won't just avoid a lemon. You'll drive away knowing exactly what you bought, and that confidence is worth more than any warranty. If this saved you from a future headache, you know what to do. Subscribe, because the next video might just save you from the next one.